So today I'm going to be making some falafel. Firstly, you want to soak your chickpeas overnight in water, and then this will make them plump up. So you can see I've used dried chickpeas, which is the best for making falafel to make it really crispy. I wouldn't recommend using canned chickpeas because it will kind of make it more mushy. So as this is a simple recipe, I'm just doing chopped up parsley and some garlic, and I've got coriander, I've got cumin, I've got some baking powder and some bicarbonate just to give it a little bit of a oomph, and some salt, and of course some sesame seeds as well. So take those lovely plump chickpeas out of the water, so drain them first and then pop them into a processor or blender. I'm going to add in some parsley and some garlic. Next in go the spices, so I've added some cumin seeds, you can toast these beforehand to release the aromas, and some coriander in there as well. Then whiz everything up in your blender or food processor till you have a coarse paste. I think this texture kind of works quite well because you don't want it to be too mushy, otherwise you won't get any of those chickpeas and crunch when you get into your falafel. I did mine in batches because I had quite a lot of chickpeas, just to make sure everything was ground up well. Then pop the whole mixture in the fridge for about an hour to firm up everything again, and then when you're ready to cook them, then you take them out and make them into little balls or even small patty shapes like so, and then you just want to fry them off in some avocado oil or olive oil so they have a nice crisp outside, and then finish them off in the oven so they're cooked throughout. I've just dusted them in sesame seeds as well. You can have this in a wrap with like vegan cheese, spinach, avocado. It's super delicious.